I had a brilliant idea for a test for general artificial intelligence in the future. Can I explain it to you? It's really simple. Okay, about 3 billion seconds is roughly 95 years, and that's roughly in the year 2106. Let's imagine that an artificial general intelligence has to work out the number of seconds between today at 8:15 and 0 seconds UTC and that point in the future when it becomes self-aware to tell the people in the lab what the number is, right? It's a definitive number for the AI, but for people to reply to this video and work out their number of seconds between when they do the test and this moment in the past, right, that average is changing through time as more and more data gets added to it, right? So here's what happens. After the AI can do this and give its answer, as my question gets more famous and more people add data to it, then what happens? The two numbers converge. The number for the AI approximates and approaches the average for all the people who hear about the test. And then after people give data, after the singularity exists, those numbers are bigger, so the average for people answering the question will go and surpass and get larger than the answer for the general artificial intelligence. Do you know what I mean? It becomes a paradox that defines a point in time for the AI and how the average of everyone doing the same thing will meet. And when the AI can do this, there is a point in the future from when the AI can do it when those numbers converge and surpass each other. So that point happens after the singularity. So first of all, the singularity is self-aware. My test gets famous, then the average of everyone's answers gets bigger than the AI's answer, if that makes any sense. Can you see the timeline of these events? No, but we don't know when a computer will be able to emulate and simulate human thought to give its answer and prove to the AI lab that this is its date of birth. Right? Like I'm basically describing a moment in time when we can pin down the date of birth to the very second for the general artificial intelligence. It has then convinced people in the lab that it has passed the Sparks-Sharon AI test. It's brilliant. Do you know what I mean? But you understand the principle of it, though, right? I'm describing points of time and moments in the future that change with probability based on data and people thinking the same way.